CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 3rd of June 2025. In Uzbekistan, Tohar Haider has been in prison for 6 years, accused of preaching the Word of God and converting people to Christianity. Tohar says that he is still steadfast in his faith and loyal to Christianity. Pastor Vedastu A. Thins says that Islamic extremists in Tanzania receive government support and use it against Christians. Attacks are frequent. In the recent attack, churches were burned and many worshippers were injured. Sister Matthew in Sri Lanka says that Tamil extremists attack Christians and many people are injured. Even small churches are burned. There is no plan to stop them, but problems in faith cannot weaken their resolve. Pastor Raymond Koh kidnapped in Malaysia. His wife Suzanne Koh says that Muslims used to go to extremes and threaten him, but this time they kidnapped Raymond. The authorities have not yet been able to find any clues. Now they are afraid that they will kill the pastor. Mun says that Buddhist groups accuse Christians of increasing the population, which is why they are committing a lot of atrocities. Lack of resources, encroachment on fields is common, which is why Christians are very afraid. Pastor Burns said that there has been a second bomb blast in Somalia, and the death toll has reached 70 and Islamic extremists want to occupy their territory. They are causing a lot of damage so that we can run away for our lives. But we are steadfast in our faith. Regarding the attack in Ethiopia, Pastor Kebdi says that the Islamic State attackers came and said that there is no place for Christians here. They are misleading people and opening fire, which has killed many people. Pastor Isaac says that he was arrested for spreading Christianity. He continued to be persecuted in prison. Now he is serving a life sentence. God is working with him in prison too. Let's look at the problems of Christians in Egypt. Amara says that her husband used to oppress her a lot. He also participated in attacks with Islamic extremists. Later he was killed, but her life is still full of suffering. In Eritrea, it is very difficult to remain faithful and follow Christ. People hate Christians. Mona Lisa is idolized. Islamic extremists attack and destroy everything in Eritrea. Now there is no food. No one cares about health. They are dying. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.